30 seconds. You're going to pull the mud and sludge out of here, separate out the sludge, and just put the clean fluid back in. Here we go, 30 seconds. It's different than a wet dry bag. It's a much deeper vacuum. This unit's pumping 70 gallons per minute. That's how we get the 30 seconds going here. Separating out the sludge in the tank, and we'll pump back clean coolant after we suck this out. Then I can show you what we got left in the sump. Our sludge is a mixture of gravel, bolts, and mud. Quick change of hose. Change valve, put a light pressure in the tank. This unit has 3 systems to protect on overpressurization. Has a regulator at 6 psi. We've been making them since 1955. Built in Wisconsin. I'll just open this up here in a second. Show you what we filtered out. 30 seconds.